go. That'll do, that'll do, that'll do, that'll do, that'll do, mate. Oh, she actually wheel spun off there. That was shocking. I don't know what we've got there, but let's bring her back. Whoa. Oh, nervous, right. Too much traffic. The car was up there for ages. Let's see what we got. Went well, it went well. We'll put these on another charge, I think. Let's see what we got first of all. Tires are warm. See what we got. And maybe go again. Oh, right. Okay. Right, settle yourself down. Can't really talk at the minute, I'm too distracted. Let's see what we got. Right, okay. Stop. Read. 150. Okay, we'll try that again. We'll do another charge and we'll go again. Right, grand with that. I'm happy with that.